From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to you, State College. I'm student meteorologist Brandon Smith here with your Campus Weather Service forecast on this fine Thursday morning, October 25th, 2018. Let's take a look at your weather headlines for today. We're going to expect to see some continued below average temperatures throughout the remainder of the week and the weekend, including a weekend washout that we're going to see. We're going to get some precipitation just in time for the football game, and that'll be your football outlook later on. So right now, let's take a look at your current conditions. Right now, here's a look at Beaver Stadium. Pretty cloudy for the most part. Temperatures hovering right around 36 degrees. It's a bit chilly out there, close to freezing earlier this morning. Feels like 31 because we do have a west wind at 6 miles per hour, adding a bit of wind chill to that factor. And of course, we have a 30-degree dew point, so it's not too dry out there, but not too moist, just right. Taking a look at your temperatures across the local area, that 36 degrees in State College, and it's pretty chilly across most areas. Altoona's all the way at freezing right now, along with Clearfield. Harrisburg is our warmer area at 37 degrees. Williamsport even warmer at 40 degrees. And as we zoom out and look at the entirety of the state, these conditions do persist. We see these low 30s to low 40s for our current conditions in terms of temperatures. Scranton's at 37, and then we have Lake Erie all the way at 41 degrees. Right now. We have to take a look at your forecast for today right now. High of 47 degrees. It should be cooler today with slightly breezier conditions. Expect a northwest wind from 10 to 15 miles an hour. So it's going to be pretty blustery out there for the most part. And then moving into tonight, winds are going to die down a bit. Temperature's going to drop pretty close to freezing, but not quite there yet. Partly cloudy skies to go along with that low of 34 degrees. And then once we move from tonight into tomorrow, expect a high of 47 degrees with mostly cloudy skies and those rain showers moving in later in the night with also calm winds. All right, so now we're going to dive into why these rain showers are going to happen during this weekend, because I know we'd all love to see sunny skies for the football game. Unfortunately, Mother Nature has different plans. What's going to happen basically is that the jet stream is going to pretty much bring some cooler air further south, and that cooler air will drag this low pressure up the eastern seaboard, allowing it to strengthen, and eventually what you're going to see is the cold air right here is going to interact with the warm air mass making its way further north, allowing for lifting to occur and allowing for that precipitation to form. And this is what we're going to see over the start of the weekend. Here's that coastal storm, and it's going to progress through. The timing of this storm is expected to be from Friday night into Saturday morning and throughout the day on Saturday, but expected to taper off as we move through along with the football game. The exact track of the storm is uncertain, but do expect a significant amount of rain. And of course, there are some mixed precipitation types possible north of us, but for the most part, you can expect just rain for the football game. All right, and speaking of the football game, here is that official forecast for it. Average temperature around 39 degrees before kickoff time during your tailgates, and it will be raining, so make sure you wear a rain jacket, put up that awning, do whatever you can to stay dry. Come kickoff time, temperature is going to be around the low 40s. Still going to be cool and damp, and rain will still be present. But as we move from the kickoff through the rest of the game, precipitation is expected to taper off, and temperatures are expected to hover right around the low 40s as we remain there. And now taking a look at your 7-day forecast, because we got to look at the rest of the weekend and including the next week. So we see the high of 50 degrees for today. That's pretty much going to be our high point for the week, with a low temperature of 33 degrees for tonight. Moving into tomorrow, temperatures are going to cool down a little bit with precipitation moving into the region late on Friday night. And then for Saturday and Sunday, of course, it's going to be a bit chillier, a bit rainier. And as we move out of the weekend into the next week, we will see another swath of rain move through the area on Monday, keeping temperatures around the mid to high 40s. And then after Monday, we could see our break in precipitation come Tuesday with a high of 49 and that low of 33. And just for fun, since this forecast is a little bit on the downside, we might not want to see that rain. I figured I'd include something fun here. We got some fall foliage beginning to show their true colors right now. Higher colors in the State College area are beginning to make their way further south. So in a few days, you can expect to see peak fall foliage grace Happy Valley. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Brandon Smith. Make sure you stay tuned for next time.